Hand washing often symbolizes purification, cleanliness, and spiritual readiness. Ms. Bhavna will now apply kumkum, which symbolizes auspiciousness, good fortune, and spiritual awakening. Badges. So I invite the teachers to put the badges for the respected ones. Thank you, dear teachers, for the gesture of kindness. Flowers spread beauty and come here. Now I call Miss Deepika Lakra with a bouquet of flowers to give to Reverend Father Ajay Kirkita, the principal of English Medium, to give it to the chief guest to honor him. The teachers will now hand it to the other guests come here. Reverend Father Ajay Kirketa for the welcoming address for the chief guest.
To everyone, अति सम्मानीय श्री विनय कुमार भगत जी, भूतपूर्व विधायक जसपुर, फादर फुलचंद सिक्का, हमारे स्कूल के टेनेंट फादर एलेक्स प्रिंसिपल हिंदी मीडियम, और हमारे जो मेहमान आए हैं,
Thank you, dear students. Present Staff Coordinator Ms. Irene Lakda. Previously Sports in Charge Sir Patrick Kuzur. Presently Ms. Sunaina Kujur. Previous House in Charge Brito House Ms. Deepika Lakda is handing over to Father and now receives Ms. Roshni Tirki for the Brito House. Sir Walter is handing over to Father Gonzaga House flag. Ms. Kavita Tirki is taking the in charge ship. Lorola House in Charge, previously Shita Patak, handing over. Newly elected Ms. Anjana Kuzur is taking over the in charge ship. Previously, Ms. Anupama Dumdum is handing over. Presently, Mrs. Archana Tapu is taking the flag. Xavier House.
All the
And
rules
students.
and regulation of school.
Yes, I do.
Since you are nominated school captain, assistant school captain, sports captain, assistant sports captain, do you promise to be loyal to the school, the principal, the staff and your fellow students
Yes, I do. Impartially
to one and all,
to one and all,
to help the needy
to help the needy
and to protect the weak,
and to protect the weak,
to be
School
pure.
Captain Gordon Bhagat is receiving the school captain sash, holding a big responsibility for all the students. He now receives the badge. Captain Sonali Halko is now receiving the sash and the badge. Claps go is given the sash by the Honorable Chief Guest, holding the responsibility as a captain for the sports. Now given the receiving the sash, the badge.
Do you know what your honor is?
Yes, I do.
Do you know all the rules and regulations of school?
Yes, I do.
Since you are nominated as house prefect and assistant house prefect, do you promise to be loyal to the school, the principal, the staff and your fellow students?
Yes, I do.
The sash and the badge. Kindly the teachers bring. Honor and glory to be chosen as a responsible one. Honorary Singh will receive the sash and the badge. Receiving the sash and holding the responsibility. Gonzaga House Smriti Lakra receiving the sash. Holding the responsibility for the Loyola House, given the sash and the badge. Clap go. Receiving the sash and the badge. Sneha Chukwu, holding, receiving the sash and the badge. Claps go. Receive Claps go. Congratulations.
The principal, the staff and your fellow students.
Yes, I do.
I
Nanik Tirki, Senior Band Captain,
promise with God's grace
promise with God's grace
to fulfill the duties
to fulfill the duties
and obligations of the school,
and obligations of school,
to be honest, truthful and loyal.
truthful and
The badge is given by the chief guest to the senior band in charge, Navneet Tirki. Taken the master staff. Junior band in charge, Samiksha Tirki, will come forward. Receiving the badge by the respected chief guest. I kindly request Honorable rank holders of class 10 students. Atul Sakshi Bharti. He He is the first rank holder of our school, 10th class. Presently in class 11th. Second rank holder, Sachi Bharti, now in class 11th. Thank you. We want to honor you with a token and a gesture of our respect towards you. Father Manager,
अति सम्मानीय प्राचार्य महोदय अजय करकेट्टा जी, मैनेजर साहब फुलजेंस जी और हमारे हिंदी मीडियम के प्रिंसिपल फादर अलेक्स जी और यहाँ पर उपस्थित जितने भी समस्त स्टाफगण, प्यारे बच्चों, सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, प्रिंसिपल महोदय को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। इस उपलक्ष्य में शपथ ग्रहण समारोह के उपलक्ष्य में आपने मुझे रूप में याद किया तो मैं सहर्ष ऐसा अवसर को मैं खोने देना नहीं चाहता। मैं हमेशा बच्चों के बीच में जाना पसंद करता हूं। तो इस शुभ अवसर पर मेरे साथ हमारे जशपुर के ब्लॉक कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष, शहर अध्यक्ष भाई शास्त्रांशु पाठक जी मेरे साथ आए हुए हैं। हमारे साथ जशपुर ग्रामीण के अध्यक्ष भाई मनमोहन भगत जी मेरे साथ आए हैं और साथ ही आए हैं बहुत ही हमारे वरिष्ठ मेरे सहयोगी भाई अनुज गुप्ता जी। इस अवसर पर उपस्थित बहुत अच्छा लगा।
You promise to be loyal to the school, the principal, the staff, and your fellow students? Yes, I do. You will now read the oath of office. I, to be pure in thoughts, word, and deed, and thus to keep physically strong, mentally awake, and morally upright. So help me God.
on the young shoulders, the responsibilities are trusted and kept, that they will surely fulfill all the roles that they are entrusted to.
For today and creates officer for tomorrow. A cheerful good afternoon to all. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or touched, they must felt by heart. Thank you. In one such prayer among them, I consider it is great privilege to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and peaceful event.
Vinay Kumar Bhagat, Reverend Father Student Staff Manager, Father Ajay Katta, Principal of English Medium, Father Alex Lakra, Principal of Hindi Medium, and all the respectful guests, teachers, and all my dear students, good afternoon to all. The English teacher ceremony was wonderful and inspiring.
We take a note today on the English Teacher Day. We take a note today on the English Teacher Day. Our heart and soul to be dedicated. Your hearts of school has a place we make. Our heart and soul to be dedicated. Your hearts of school has a place we make. We take a note today on the English Teacher Day.
congratulations to all of you.